traders, we're looking at the pound yen. This meets my criteria. I'm always looking for swing low, swing high, retrace buy, swing low, swing high, retrace buy, and if we follow this strategy or structure here, we get a potential buy opportunity. Now, the thing with this is I really like to get in at a discount, and I'm going to pull this Fibonacci from this previous swing low to swing high, the price swing, and I want to get in at a discount, so that's going to be under the 50. Now, it's pulled into the 50 and it's bounced off that. We're heading into the London Open sometime soon, in the next couple of hours or whatever. And I'll be watching this, and I think the key is to just watch it into the London Open and see how it reacts around here, because I really want this to pull back down into this level. This is my optimal entry zone down in here. All right, so if we go down to a 30-minute chart. All right, so at the moment we can see this is trending down on the 30, like lower highs, and we've got this shift here. And have a look at this candle. Okay, so we're getting a displacement after the range here to the downside, so you want to be a little bit careful. If it pulls down into this level here, I want to see it then, you know, it'll trend down, lower highs, lower lows, and then, you know, maybe it wiggles around in here, and then I'll be looking for the break of market structure and an opportunity to get long. Okay, so if it creates a bit of a range like it did up here, got a bit of a range, I want to see it create a bit of a range down in here, possibly go for a bit of a dip below. Well, it's already kind of done it there, but I want to see it happen around this 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci range. All right, that's my ideal entry point. All right, so that price action playing out in around this level here, around the 201,800, and you know, under the, see these lows here, I want to see it potentially take out the liquidity under here. I mean, that would be my ideal entry. So, you know, if that plays out, then we're good to go. And if it doesn't play out and it happens to go trade bullish from here, I'll let it go and I'll wait for the next opportunity. Right, so that's my take on the pound yen at the moment, guys. And I'll just look. This is a pure speculation, but you know, something like that, possibly. And then, you know, go for a minimum 2R. There's a 3R. Something like that could work out. But grab the fib. Let's just go from, yeah, you don't want to go from this swing low. It's going to pull it right back down into this level here. All right, but keep an eye on this range here. That's my key area. All right, so we'll just call that a 30-minute chart. That's fine. There, something like that. Stop loss, well, there's a nice tight stop. There's a 4R outcome, right? So this is pure speculation. All right, that's risky. Either that or wait for the setup, right? So it trends down, and you get it, and then, you know, you go in on the break of market structure bullish into the London Open. So just watch it into that specific time of day. All right, guys, I mean, that's my take on the pound yen, and with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Oh yeah, leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Definitely share the love. And see you in the next video.